AppSensor is a tool that is very useful, especially when you need to monitor an application for live intrusions. This tool goes beyond the mere detection of vulnerable spot in your code, but goes into the activities that occur around your application. So if we look at the plan we've defined initially, or the cyberkill chain workflow, at the initial stages, we spend a considerable amount of time scanning our code for trouble dependencies and improve this code. But that doesn't make our application 100% secure, and we need other tools to help us monitor further threats in the delivery or control stages. This is where AppSensor comes into play. You need strategies to constantly monitor your application for unknown access or unusual activities, etc. So there are many tools in the market for this purpose, and AppSensor is an example of one you could use. We won't go through how to install and use this tool as it is a course on its own. But if you want to get started, go to this page here called Getting Started. And then download the actual AppSensor application and follow the instructions. You can also choose the deployment model. So if you're using SOAP web services, or if you're using Thrift, and so on and so forth, if you're using REST web services, which is usually what I do in my own course, then use that one. And then you can use the pluggable components here. So if you want to have specific things looked at, such as storage, or if you want to have access controllers to take a look at the access points of your application, you can choose the components here and then configure the reporting that you want from the application. So this is very useful if you want to have monitoring done on your application live. So if you want to basically inspect for intrusions while the application is running, or if there's a specific user that has logged in and logged out many times in a very short amount of time, then these are the kind of things that you want to look at and start researching further just to make sure that you're not under attack. And AppSensor is a good application for that.